Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you step by step how to fix the blue screen of death, also known as BSOD, in Windows 10 and Windows 11. This method is 100% working, so make sure to watch till the end. First you have to search for the device manager. You can see all the drivers uninstalled here. If there is yellow sign on any driver, exclamation mark, you can reinstall the driver. It will fix your problem. Now you have to search for command prompt, run it as administrator and type the command sfc /scannow and press enter. It will start scanning your PC. As you can see, the scanning has been started. It will take some time. Now you can see the scanning has been completed. Now again open the command prompt as administrator and type this command CHKDSK /F /R and press enter. It will ask you to restart your PC and press Y and press enter and restart your PC. Your PC will scan the hard disk and will solve the problem if there is. Now again open command prompt as administrator and type this command. This is in the description too, and press enter. It will start scanning. The management tool will be started. As you can see, it can take some time. As you can see, it is 100% and it is successfully completed. This will solve your problem. Now go to the Windows update. Here you can see the option view update history. Click on it and uninstall updates. Here are the updates. Uninstall one by one. It will solve your issue. Now go to the recovery option. Here you can see the advanced startup options. Click on restart. You can see the startup menu interface. If you are getting some problem and your PC is not booting without showing the blue screen error, and the blue screen error comes first, you can shut down the PC and forcefully restart the PC 4 to 5 times by pressing the power key. Now we come forward, click on the troubleshoot options and now advanced options and click on the starter repair. It will repair your PC and the PC will start many times. Now if it doesn't work, go to the command prompt and type these commands that you are seeing on the screen one by one. It will solve the problem. Most probably the blue screen error will fix. If it doesn't work, reset your PC or reinstall the Windows. So friends, by following these steps you can easily fix the blue screen error on your Windows PC. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more technical solutions. See you in the next video.